Hi guys, I wanted to talk about the Samsung Gear S3, which is supposed to be waterproof. First thing I will say, since I made the update on Tizen, the last version, my watch wasn't last 5 hours a day. I had no notification, nothing at all, and the watch wasn't lasting a single day. So I reinitialized the watch. I did everything possible. Suddenly the watch started to work like as usual. It was like maybe a day and a half an hour charging. This watch, I'm using it just for sport, that's it. No notification, no music, nothing. I have an iPhone, so the link between the two devices, it's not the best one anyway. So I went in holiday. As usual, I was doing my sport with my watch, going to the gym, hiking, stuff like that, but never ever into water. Anyway, I went to bed. The watch was at 40%. Waking up in the morning, 0%. The watch was off. I tried to charge it, nothing at all, no light, nothing. So I had to wait to come back to UK. What happened? I ordered this new charger, genuine charger, like maybe £30, something like that. It's really expensive. Anyway, for nothing. This was going on, and the watch wasn't charging. Nothing, because initially I thought that the original charger wasn't working anymore. Anyway, I bought that for nothing. So I went to Samsung store on Saturday, and I gave the watch. They told me, they asked me what is going on. I described the issue, and I went to cinema. They said the watch should be repaired on Tuesday, next Tuesday. I said okay, no problem. I went to cinema. 1 hour and a half the movie. They called me straight after that, just before the store closed. It was like 5:40, something like that. I went straight to the store, and they told me, look, your watch has water damage, which is there, liquid damage, and they gave me a quote, £200 for liquid damage. I said no way. I won't pay that. It's too expensive. And I said, a watch, a Samsung Gear S3, now it's 280. Why will I pay £200 for liquid damage, which is like not included into the warranty? So if they said that, no way they will repair your watch for free. But the thing is, this watch is supposed to be waterproof. I've never been in water with it, never swam with it, never have had a shower with it, ever. The only liquid this watch could be exposed is my sweat. After a bit of research on the net, on the web, apparently sweat is the worst stuff ever for a watch because of the salt and everything. This can create corrosion, stuff like that. Anyway, okay. But still, Samsung, you are advertising that your watch is waterproof or water resistant. I don't know which one, but why selling a watch and people can't do workout with it? They can't run with it. If after only 1 year, this watch is not working anymore, this is nonsense. So yeah, I refused to pay that. Then I said, maybe it's the battery. I'm gonna try to change it. So I bought this on Amazon. It's just precision screwdrivers. So this evening I said, okay, I will open the watch and I will look what water damage looks like, and I will order new battery. I'm gonna try. rather than paying £200, I will finish with like the battery, the charger for nothing. I can resell it. I think it's brand new. This plus a battery, it's like £25. I said I'm gonna try. I opened the watch. You can see looks like, yeah, maybe a bit of water inside it. I don't know how come. Maybe it's the sweat, but well, maybe it's coming through these little holes, you know, because yeah, maybe it's like that through this, probably. So it's creating this little stuff. And on the side of the watch, you can see, yeah, probably water damage. Okay, but they didn't even try to fix the watch like I did. I'm not a technician. I just following some tutorial. What I did, I won't do it right now. I should have recorded before, but I wasn't thinking that this watch would work, because this has been like analyzed by Samsung experts apparently. Anyway, so I removed this. I removed the battery, and what I did, I just cleaned, removed all the stain, the corrosion and stuff. I cleaned the watch. I just cleaned it. Then I said, okay, I will order the battery. I ordered the battery on Amazon. I need to cancel it because the watch is working. I will show you. So I cleaned it. I put the battery back. I put everything back. And I said, well, I will just, see if I can charge the watch to see what is going on. So I was really surprised when I placed the watch on the dock. Look, this is my old dock. Yeah. Oh, it's turning on. This is supposed to be water damage watch, and look, it's on. So Samsung, before trying to rob people asking £200 for a water damage watch, maybe you should open the watch, try to clean it, and maybe the watch will work again. See, it's turning on. It's clearly working. So I'm kind of upset. Yeah, because I used to like this watch, but no more for me, no more Samsung for me, because the customer service is like useless. And yeah, it's a pure robbery. I really hope some people will try to open their watch, try to fix it. I don't say my case is everyone else's case. Maybe you see the watch is working. Maybe every case, for sure, every case, it's different. But yeah, Samsung should try at least to clean the watch, do something before asking. You think just think if I have paid like £200 for this, for just cleaning a watch? No, come on, this is not possible. So yeah, I hope some people will try to do the same as me, to open the watch, clean it, and maybe this will save them £200, which is not the supposed to be supposedly water damage is not included in the warranty. So yeah, thank you Samsung. I did my technician alone. Thank you. I won't show the address, but I'm kind of upset. Okay, take care guys.